We need to assemble the grater. To assemble the machine, drag the part to its place like this. Go on. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the grater. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Press the pump. Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. We need to wash the grater. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Don't stop.